Welcome to Globetrotters HD. In today's video, we're diving into 11 space-saving packing hacks that will change your travel game. If you're tired of overpacking or squishing your clothes into your suitcase, these tips will save you time, space, and a whole lot of stress. Let's get started with hack number 11. First up, compression bags. These are an absolute game changer. They're like magic for your suitcase. You simply pack your clothes into the bag, zip it up, and then suck the air out, kind of like deflating a beach ball. This will help you save up to 50% more space in your luggage. Not only will you fit more clothes, but everything stays wrinkle-free and neatly packed. Imagine fitting that extra jacket or those shoes you almost left behind. Plus, if you're an overpacker, these bags are practically lifesavers. Trust me, once you try these, you'll wonder how you ever packed without them. Here's a classic travel hack that never goes out of style: rolling. Instead of folding your clothes, roll them. It might sound simple, but it's a packing miracle. Rolling not only saves you tons of space, but also reduces wrinkles. You can roll up t-shirts, pants, even dresses. Everything fits tighter and neater. And those bulky jackets or sweaters you're trying to squeeze in? Roll them up too. It's like playing Tetris with clothes, and you'll definitely fit more in your bag this way. The best part? No more battles with the zipper. Now let's talk about shoes, one of the most notorious space hogs in your suitcase. Instead of just throwing them in there and wasting precious space, use the inside of your shoes to stuff things like socks, underwear, or even small accessories. This hack turns every pair of shoes into an organized little storage unit. Not only does it maximize space, but it helps keep your shoes in shape too. It's a win-win. So next time you're packing, don't forget to make those shoes work for you. Your suitcase will be less cluttered and your shoes will be safely tucked away. Packing cubes. Don't knock them till you've tried them. These little lifesavers are perfect for keeping your clothes organized, and they save so much space. You can sort your clothes by type, activity, or even by color. Whatever works for you. You'll never have to dig around in your suitcase for that one elusive t-shirt again. Packing cubes allow you to stack everything neatly, and they make it so much easier to access your stuff without everything spilling out. Plus, no more wrinkled clothes. These cubes keep everything in place. Once you try them, you won't ever go back to cramming everything in haphazardly. Got gaps in your suitcase? Don't let that empty space go to waste. Use it to stash small items like chargers, snacks, or even jewelry. These little things fit perfectly in those awkward corners of your luggage. For example, tuck socks into your shoes or stuff your sunglasses into the side of a packing cube. You'll find a ton of hidden spaces you didn't even know existed. This way, you're not just saving space, you're organizing everything so efficiently that you'll never lose track of the small stuff. It's like a game of packing Jenga, but way more fun and organized. This one is a total space saver. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Instead of packing those chunky sweaters, heavy jackets, or boots, wear them on the flight. Not only will it save a ton of space in your suitcase, but you'll be comfy and cozy on the plane too. That extra sweater you're debating about, throw it on as an extra layer. It may sound a little weird, but once you realize how much space you've freed up in your bag, you'll be wearing your heaviest gear every time you fly. This is one of the best packing strategies. Choose multi-purpose clothing. Instead of packing a separate outfit for every occasion, opt for pieces that can do double duty. A reversible jacket, a pair of pants that convert into shorts, or a dress that can easily be transformed into a skirt for dinner. These clothing items are total space savers and perfect for travelers who like to pack light. By sticking to a color scheme, you can mix and match outfits throughout your trip. You'll have plenty of outfit options without carrying half your closet with you. Let's be honest, liquids are the worst when it comes to packing. But here's a hack that will save you headaches: Ziploc bags. Instead of carrying bulky bottles of shampoo and conditioner, use travel-sized containers or simply place your liquids in Ziploc bags. Not only do these bags keep your liquids from leaking all over your clothes, but they're also a lifesaver when it comes to security checks. No more fumbling around at the airport trying to find your tiny shampoo bottle. These bags are perfect for keeping your toiletries organized and can even be used to separate dirty laundry or snacks. This next hack is a game changer when it comes to saving space. Plan your outfits ahead of time. I know it sounds a bit extra, but trust me, it will save you from overpacking just-in-case outfits. Lay out your outfits for each day and stick to a color scheme that can mix and match. This way, you're only packing what you absolutely need, and you won't waste space on clothes you don't end up wearing. You'll also save time while you're traveling because everything will already be coordinated. No more "what should I wear today" moments, just grab your outfit and go. Here's one you'll love, a travel laundry kit. Instead of packing 7 pairs of underwear for a 3-day trip, pack a laundry kit. Throw in a small bottle of detergent and a portable laundry bag, and you'll be able to wash your clothes while on the go. This will save you major space and prevent you from carrying a mountain of dirty clothes back home. Plus, you'll never have to stress about running out of clean clothes. It's perfect for longer trips or if you're just trying to travel light without sacrificing freshness. And now, the #1 packing hack: maximize your carry-on. Your carry-on is your best friend, and it's time to treat it that way. Instead of stuffing everything into checked luggage, keep your essentials in your carry-on. Chargers, snacks, important documents, and that extra sweater. Use every little compartment in your carry-on for small items: your passport, your earbuds, your camera, etc. This way, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips, and you won't have to worry about waiting at baggage claim. It's all right there with you, saving you time and hassle. So there you have it. 11 packing hacks that will save you space, time, and a ton of stress while traveling. Are you ready to pack like a pro? Let us know in the comments which hack you're most excited to try. And happy packing, and see you in the next video, Globetrotters. Travel light, travel smart, and make every trip unforgettable.